Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Muhammad Rayan Ali. If I am at high position of any famous company like Google, Microsoft or Infosys, first I will suggest to present education system gives only practical knowledge to students, but for the students of software careers it should be provide practical learning and coding and real world projects to not only in their marks but also in their coding, and while doing jobs in companies they have skills to work with all teamworks. We can say that teamwork is more important to do any work, and also while doing work we face more failures in any field, so we have to be patient. One of the famous man said, failures is the stepping stones to success. Thank you.